Another day and I'm back with another new video. Hey guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with a new smartwatch, and in the house we have Ticwatch's newest smartwatch that they've just launched in India, guys, and goes by the name Ticwatch GTH. So this smartwatch comes with some wide variety health functions. Like most of the smartwatches can only measure like heart rate and blood oxygen SpO2 levels, right? But this one over here can measure your respiration rate and can also measure your body skin temperature. So I'm like quite excited to unbox and check it out. So let's get started with the unboxing. And here it is, guys. Our new Ticwatch GTH comes in this sort of compact box packaging. Very minimalistic packaging, guys. Just the Ticwatch GTH branding everywhere, a picture of the product on the front, and at the back side we've got some of its features and highlights mentioned. The brand says it offers up to 7 to 10 day battery life. It's 5 atmospheres waterproof, supports custom watch faces as well, sleep tracking, 24/7 heart rate monitoring, and also has body skin temperature measurement, stress level measurement, and also has respiratory rate measurement as well. So quite a lot of health related functions available on it. Let's quickly get started with the unboxing. I'm like pretty excited to check out this watch. And there you go. The outer cover slides out like this, and on the inside we've got one more plain black box and there's nothing written on it. So let's quickly open this box and finally check out the smartwatch we've been waiting for. And there you go, guys, our brand new smartwatch, the Ticwatch GTH. The one we have right now is called as the Raven Black Edition and has a squarish form factor. Oh wow, this looks pretty nice. We'll just come back to the smartwatch in a moment. Let me quickly also show you the accessories. Along with that, you get some paperwork. It's a user manual, guys, just make sure to read that. And a charging cable for the watch. That is it. These are all the stuff we got in the package. Now let me give you all a closer look at the watch and talk about the design and the build quality. Let me just peel off the sticker on the display. There you go. So guys, this is how our brand new Ticwatch GTH smartwatch looks like. It's got a squarish form factor and build quality looks top notch from my first impressions. First, let me tell you about the display. The watch comes with a 1.55-inch TFT color touch display in a square form factor, and if you can observe, it also has this curved 2.5D kind of edges which feel quite premium. The build quality of the watch is also very good. The entire watch case is made of metal, and to the right there's only one multi-function button which also doubles up as a power button. And going to the back side, we've got lots of stuff over here, like there are some charging contacts at the top, some sensors at the center, and also this body temperature measurement sensor. So that's it, guys. That was our complete overview on the design and the build quality. And if you ask about the straps quality is also very nice, feels soft and flexible. And good thing about them is the straps on it are also replaceable. You can easily remove them and replace with your favorite ones. So guys, what I'll do is I'll quickly set up the watch, I'll use it for some time and then be right back to continue the video. Alright guys, so I'm back to continue the video. So I've been using this smartwatch for the past few days and now I'm ready to give my experience and feedback on the product. Since we've already discussed about the design and the build quality, let's start directly with the display quality. As mentioned at the beginning, the Ticwatch GTH comes with a 1.55-inch TFT color touch display. It's a very big display for this price point. Display quality is good, but actually not the best I've seen around this price point, guys. See, the text on it looks really sharp and crisp because it's got a higher resolution than most of the other smartwatches around this price range. So, you can easily read your messages on it or any sort of content. The colors are also fine in most of the wallpapers, but I wish they had a little bit more saturation. It's a TFT panel, right? So you can't expect that. I wish it had an IPS panel on board. And if you ask about the brightness was also good. It was easily viewable in indoor and normal lighting conditions also. But in case if you use the watch in like bright outdoor situations, especially under direct sunlight on a sunny day, that time it may be a bit difficult to view the watch. I felt the brightness was slightly a bit on the lower side. So that was about the display quality, guys, and what I'll do is I'll just quickly show you how the UI on it looks like, and then we'll check out all the built-in apps and features. So there you go, guys. This is how the home screen on the Ticwatch GTH looks like. First of all, see, this smartwatch runs on RTOS platform, and if you ask about the performance, well, the watch was performing very well. All the apps opening and closing, transitions, the UI navigation, everything was quite smooth, and I didn't face any sort of sluggishness or maybe jitterness that you would see on most of the affordable budget category smartwatch. So that is one good thing. Now coming to the watch faces, the watch comes with like 4 built-in watch faces faces, and not only that, you can even download lots of more watch faces from Ticwatch's app store, and that option is also there. And not only that, you can even apply your own customized wallpapers from your gallery also. So pretty nice features. Now let's check out the UI. Swiping down on the home screen, you'll get the status panel. Over here you can check out your battery level, Bluetooth connection status, and has some quick setting toggles to DND mode, power saving mode, vibration, torch light is also there, brightness adjustment, and a general settings toggle. That's it. Now by swiping up on the home screen, you can easily access your notifications panel. Over here you can easily keep a track on all your received notifications or maybe missed calls, whatever that you've got on your phone. But again, for this to work, you'll need to keep the watch connected to your phone via Bluetooth. And by swiping left or right on the home screen, you can easily access the built-in widgets on this watch. So let's quickly check them out as well. So swiping left, you'll get your health widget. Over here, it shows you how many calories you burned, how many steps you've taken, distance traveled for that particular day. If you want like a detailed summary of your activities or these sort of stuff, you can check it out on Ticwatch's app, guys. And going next, you've got the sleep data analysis, and going next, you've got workout activity mode. The watch offers like almost 13 or 14 different workout activity modes, and you can easily access them from here as well. We'll come to the workout part in a moment. Going next, you can easily keep a track on your health related features, guys. Like it shows you your current respiration rate, body skin temperature, and also blood oxygen levels. I will talk about the health related functions also in a moment. Right now we are just going through the UI. Then next you've got the heart rate monitoring app, and lastly the weather widget. So that's it, guys. These are all the available widgets on the smartwatch. Now suppose if you want to access all the available apps and features on the smartwatch, then you can easily do that by pressing this power button to the right side, which also doubles up as a menu button. So as soon as you press that, there you go. Now you can easily access all the built-in apps and features. Starting first, you've got the notifications app. This we've already covered. Then you've got the tick exercise. Basically, guys, this is a workout activity section where you can access like 14 different workout activity modes like running, swimming, walking, and a lot of other stuff. Unfortunately, the watch doesn't have built-in GPS, so the only information it can record is like the number of steps taken, distance travel, calories burnt, and the workout activity time lapse and these sort of stuff. If you also want geolocation, then you'll definitely need to carry your phone, because the watch will use the GPS on your phone to get those sort of information. So that was about the workout activity section. But the thing I really like about this smartwatch is the wide variety of health related functions it can measure. See, most of the smartwatches can only measure like your heart rate and maybe blood oxygen levels, right? That's it. But this watch also can measure your body skin temperature, and not only that, it can even measure your respiration rate as well. That is pretty sick actually. So yeah, as soon as you open this Tick Health app, right, over here you can see Tick Pulse, which is nothing but your heart rate measurement app. Tick Breathe Rate is also there. This is what I was talking about. It can measure your respiration rate, guys. Then you've got Tick Oxygen, which is nothing but blood oxygen SpO2 levels. And Tick Temp is your skin body temperature. And let me tell you, it was like quite accurate, because I've tested this sensor along with my temperature gun, and both of them were giving like quite similar results. So pretty nice accuracy over here. And lastly, you've got some breathing exercises which goes by the name Tick Breathe. So that's it. These are all the wide health related functions available on it. Then you've got timer, stopwatch, all these basic functions are also there. Then you've got weather app, and lastly music control. So you can even control the music playing on your phone directly from the smartwatch. And that's it. That was our complete overview on the design, UI, and all the built-in apps and features. Now let me show you how you receive call and message notifications on the smartwatch. For this function to work, you'll definitely need to connect it to your phone via Bluetooth and install the app and enable permissions, so don't forget about that. So whenever you get a call, this is how the watch responds. It starts vibrating and shows you the name or number of the person calling you, and you can easily dismiss that or end the call. And this is how you receive message notifications, guys, no matter it be SMSs or from any sort of social media apps like WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook. You can only read the content and the name of the sender, but there is no option to reply to these messages directly from the watch. So keep that in mind. we're almost coming to an end, guys. So let me tell you about the battery life as well. Battery life of this smartwatch was pretty good on a moderate kind of usage with the brightness set to level 3, doing moderate activities, workout activities, like every alternate day, and using those sensors on it like once in a while. With this sort of usage now, you can easily get around like 8 to 9 days of battery life. But if you don't use these sort of dedicated features like workout activity, or keep monitoring your heart rate or your other sensors regularly, then you can easily expect around like 12 to 13 days of battery life. And that is pretty much it, guys. That was my video on this brand new watch from Ticwatch, the GTH. It's a good smartwatch with plenty of health focused features. I like the design, excellent build quality with IP67 water resistance, display quality is good, and battery life is also fine. But considering the current competition in today's market, I felt the brand could have added some more features to make it unique, like maybe Alexa support, built-in GPS would be nice, and also compass support. Or maybe instead of all this, they could have kept the price a bit lower. It costs around 4,999 rupees in India. I'll just leave a link to that in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that's it for today. Hope you all enjoyed this video and got complete information about the product. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.